Day 48 of Bible Bites. Balak, king of Moab, hires the prophet Balaam to curse Israel. But God takes control in a hilarious and powerful way, even using a talking donkey. Instead of curses, Balaam ends up blessing Israel. We are in Numbers 22 to 24, Psalm 48, and Proverbs 11, 1 to 11. Let's see how God protects and blesses his people. Quick prayer. God, thank you that no one can curse what you have blessed. Help us trust your protection. Amen. Numbers 22. Balak fears Israel and sends for Balaam to curse them. God tells Balaam not to go. Balak sends bigger bribes. God allows Balaam to go, but warns him to say only what God tells him. On the way, Balaam's donkey sees the angel of the Lord blocking the path 3 times. Balaam beats the donkey. God opens the donkey's mouth. What have I done to you? Balaam argues with the donkey. The angel reveals himself and warns Balaam again. Numbers 23 to 24. Balaam tries to curse Israel 3 times but can only bless them. He prophesies beautiful blessings. How beautiful are your tents, Jacob, and famous lines like, God is not a man that he should lie. He has blessed, and I cannot change it. Balaam even prophesies about a future star and scepter rising from Israel, Messianic hint. Psalm 48, Great is the Lord, and most worthy of praise, his holy mountain, the city of the great King. God makes her secure forever. Walk about Zion, go around her. For this God is our God forever and ever. He will be our guide even to the end. Proverbs 11, 1 to 11. The Lord detests dishonest scales, but accurate weights find favor with him. When pride comes, then comes disgrace, but with humility comes wisdom. The integrity of the upright guides them, but the unfaithful are destroyed by their duplicity. God sovereignly turns Balaam's curses into blessings. The talking donkey shows God can use anything, even an animal, to accomplish his will. Balaam's oracles confirm that no human power can stop God's blessing on Israel. Psalm 48 celebrates God as the great King who protects and guides his people forever. Proverbs 11 contrasts honesty, humility, and integrity with pride and dishonesty. Real-life comparison. Balaam's donkey equals God can speak through unexpected sources, a friend, a situation, even something you don't like, to get your attention. Balaam's failed curses equals no one can curse what God has blessed. His protection is stronger than any opposition. Psalm 48. Security equals God makes his people secure and is our guide to the end. Proverbs 11. Integrity equals living honestly and humbly leads to wisdom and favor. Today, listen for God's voice in an unexpected place, like Balaam's donkey. Trust that God's blessing and protection are stronger than any curse or opposition you face. Choose integrity and humility in one situation today. What opposition or curse are you facing that you need to trust God's blessing over? Comment. God turns curses into blessings and uses even a donkey to accomplish his will. Tomorrow, more wilderness events. Subscribe, share. See you tomorrow.